Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to talk about the motion of particles and temperature and state change and terms for the change in state between solid, liquids and gases. In the last video we have seen that molecules of a substance are moving, solid molecules are vibrating and liquid and gas molecules are moving from their own position. As the temperature increases, molecules' speed also increases. Therefore, kinetic energy associated with molecules also increases. So we can say that temperature tells us about the average kinetic energy of molecules in a substance. If kinetic energy of molecules is higher, the substance temperature will also be higher. Apart from this, kinetic energy molecules are also under the action of attraction forces, and as a result, when phase change happens, heat supplied is used to break the bond between the molecules. This energy is called as potential energy. So we can say that heat supplied is utilized to increase the potential energy of substance. So we can say that molecule of a substance has two types of energies, kinetic energy, and apart from this energy, molecules are also under the action of attraction forces. So they have potential energy. Some of these two energies is called internal energy of the system. Let's study about a change of state. As we increase the temperature of solid, it eventually changes state to liquid, and the process of converting solid to liquid is called as melting. When we increase the temperature of liquid, it gets converted to gas and the process is called as boiling. On the opposite of it, when the gas cools down, it finally gets converted to liquid and process is called as condensing, and when the liquid is cooled it gets converted to solid and the process is called as freezing. So in this way, when we add heat, solid gets converted to liquid and finally to gas, and when we remove heat, gas gets converted to liquid and finally to solid. The state change does not happen at any temperature. The specific temperature at which conversion from solid to liquid takes place is called as melting point. The energy given at melting point breaks the bond between the molecules. Suppose I will take the ice at minus 10 degrees centigrade. Then the heat given to the ice up to 0 degrees Celsius is utilized to increase the temperature of the ice at 0 degrees centigrade. Heat given will convert ice to water. This temperature is called the melting point. At the same temperature, conversion from liquid to solid also happens, but heat is removed from the substance in that process. The process corresponding to freezing. If we keep adding heat to water, it finally converts to gas. At boiling point, energy given breaks the bond between the molecules of liquid. Boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. At the same temperature, conversion from gas to water also happens, and that process corresponds to condensation. In condensation, heat is removed from the substance. Let's study the change of state curve for the process. It will be as shown in the figure. On y-axis, the temperature is there, and x-axis, heat input is there. Suppose we take the ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius. In the initial part of the curve, as we add the heat, the temperature starts increasing. But the moment ice reaches at 0 degrees Celsius, there is no increase in the temperature despite the addition of heat. The heat given at 0 degrees Celsius is utilized to convert ice to water. When all the ice get converted to water, further addition of heat increases the temperature of water, and heat addition causes to increase the kinetic energy of molecules. After reaching 100 degrees Celsius, heat addition does not alter the temperature. This heat changes the state of the water to steam. When all the water gets converted to steam, again in next stage, additional heat will cause to increase the temperature of the steam. Let's do one question based on the concept we have learned. Question is the diagram represents moving gas molecules in a sealed container of fixed volume. The temperature of the gas is now increased. What happens to the pressure of the gas and what happens to the speed of the gas molecules? We have learned as we increase the temperature of the gas, speed of the molecules increases, and when the molecule speed will increase, molecules moving with high velocity will exert more pressure on the container wall. So the answer is pressure and speed of molecules both increase. Let's see next question. Question says the diagram represents molecules of gas moving in a container. What happens to the gas molecules when the temperature of the gas increases. Here we have learned that as the temperature of the gas increases, the molecules start moving with high velocity. So the correct answer is they move more quickly. Next question is diagram shows four labeled changes of state between solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid, gas, PSQR, which changes need an energy input. We have learned that during solid to liquid state conversion, heat supplied will work against the potential energy of molecules, and during liquid state to gaseous state, again heat supplied work against the potential energy of the molecule. So in process P and Q, heat input is required. So correct answer is A.